Assalamu alaikum. I am lecturer Imran Khan and you are watching Learning Corner Online. Today we are going to select the topic from grade 9, which is line bisector and angle bisector. In previous videos we discussed about line bisector and today we are going to discuss about angle bisector. Theorem 12.1.4, the statement is what? Any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its arms. Angle bisector is what? When we bisect an angle, then into two equal parts, then we say that this is called what? Angle bisector. This is called angle bisector. Now, in the light of the statement, we will draw the figure. Our second element is what? Figure. We having an angle which is what? AOB, and we will draw the bisector. OM is the bisector of angle what? AOB. It means that this angle and this angle will be equal. And if any point on this bisector, angle bisector OM, let's say that point is what? P. It means that PQ is congruent to what? PR. We need to prove that PQ is congruent to PR. Any point, let's say that point is called what? P. On the bisector. The bisector is what? OM of an angle. Angle is what? AOB. Is equidistant from its arms. The first arm is what? OA, and the second arm is what? OB. We need to prove that PQ is congruent to PR. Our third element is what? Given. A point P is on the bisector of angle AOB. It means that angle AOP is congruent to angle BOP. These two angles are congruent. Now our third element is what? Third element is to prove. We need to prove that any point on the bisector of angle is equidistant from its arm. PQ is congruent to PR. In construction, we will draw PQ is perpendicular to OB and PR is perpendicular to what? OA. And in construction, what things we do? We will draw always dotted line or broken line. Now, the most important part of the theorem is what? Proof. In proof, we discuss two things. There are two things, subparts, which is statements and reasons. We having two triangles in this angle. The first one is what? POQ, and the second one is what? POR. Triangle POQ and POR, this sign stands for what? Corresponding. We are checking the similarity between these two triangles. The first one is, look at OP is congruent to OP because OP lies in both the triangles. OP is the side of this triangle and OP is also the side of this triangle. That's why OP is congruent to OP. The reason is what? Common. Now, angle POQ is congruent to what? POR. Which is what? Which is POQ, POQ and POR. Which is what? Given. Also we can say that AOP and BOQ. Instead of A, we can write this ROP, and instead of B, we can write this QOP. QOP or POQ are same thing. ROP or POR are same thing. Which is what? Which is given. Now, the third one is what? Angle PQO and PRO. Angle the reason is what? Right angle. Because in construction we discussed that PQ is perpendicular to OB, PQ is perpendicular to OB, and PR is perpendicular to OA. When this is perpendicular to this, it means that it makes what angle? 90 degree, right angle. Now, it is what? Side. When these two triangles are congruent, it means that both the sides PQ and PR are also congruent. PQ is congruent to PR, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. PQ is congruent to PR, corresponding sides of congruent triangle.